I'm Anna.
And I'm Edna.
And we're here to give you the HTX Top 5 events this week.
And before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos every week. So first, we have the Wizards Christmas Dinner and Marketplace. So Harry Potter fans, do not miss out on this magical evening on January 8th at the Ballroom at Bayou Place.
And for all you graffiti fans, the TIPSY Tours actually has a graffiti park sightseeing tour on January 8th, and it's actually hosted by the Glass Wine Bar Lounge.
Ooh. Next, we have the Houston Symphony Pink Martini on January 9th at the Jones Hall. So this is a variety of music, and two beautiful singers will be presenting on that night.
Next up is the Battle of Galveston Strand Walking Tour. So head out to Galveston on January 8th. They will be at the Galveston Historical Foundation.
Fun! And then last but certainly not least, we have the Texans versus the Tennessee Titans at the Energy Stadium on January 9th. So come out, tailgate, and support the boys.
That's all we have for you this week, but make sure to follow us on Twitter,
Facebook and Facebook group,
Pinterest,
TikTok,
and Instagram.
Stop! And all the links will be in the description below. Alright.
Bye, Houston.
Bye!